Oh, look at this, y'all. Will you look at these? Jesus!
I'm going out here to check out these collards. I told my husband to put them in the crock pot, but to cook them outside because our mobile home gets really hot if we do a lot of extra cooking during certain parts of the day. So we're just letting them cook slow. Our collards that we got from the emergency food bank drop, they're cooking slow and they're smelling so good, y'all. So let me go out here. My mom said, I know you ain't cooking no collards outside in the crock pot. I said, yes I am, because they'll have the house hot.
All right.
So she said, well, you need to send me a picture of that. I said, well, if you don't believe it, we are, because it'll have that little mobile home just as hot. I mean, I like the way they smell, but like you said, well, you know, but it's just so hot. It'll get hot in the house. Oh, they cooking good.
All right.
Hey, that's the way we used to do it in Tomahawk. All right, y'all. Hubby brought the collards in, and I just seasoned. Oh, look at this, y'all. Will you look at these? Jesus, get me. Never cross. Oh, my. Yes, hunty, yes. Yes, hunty, yes. These things are going to be so good. I've seasoned them. Like with collards, you know, it depends on... I'm all over here, y'all. But, yes, I've been waiting to taste these. They've been cooking, what, since about 12, so about 7 hours on low, well, high and then low, and then I just turn them back on high, so. Y'all, I'm trying to tell you, they are so bomb.com. They are delicious.